Kaleo just released their new album. I was waiting for like, I don't know, forever for this album to release. And now they have finally released this album and I'm so excited to check them out. And yes, you already know what it is. In this video, I'm going to be reacting. We are going to be checking out Free the Slave by Kaleo. And also in the coming weeks, coming days, I will be reacting to the rest of the album. So stay tuned. So hit the subscribe button and stay tuned with my channel. So without further ado, let's just jump into the video. I'm so excited to see what the new album brings into the table. Let's go.
By the riverside, later on the day, don't know what's hanging off an honest man. Say he ain't the guilty one, but someone has to pay. They will not be pleased before seeing him.
Wait, I want to let you guys know, I pulled out the lyrics. Man, it gave me like a very, very big country vibe, you know what I mean? And also he said, meet me by the riverside. And I couldn't catch what he says, like, on the day, don't know what's hanging on the promised land. What does it mean? Promised land. But it has a huge country feeling to it. Like, I love it, man. Let's go. Okay, I want to go back. Alright, let's see. The title is interesting too. Free the Slave. And the volcano is erupting too. Yeah, hanging off from the promised land. The guitar, dude.
As he cries out, turning face to crowd as he cries out. No one makes a sound as he cries out. Oh, he hits the ground when he cries out. It's your spirit now, got me in the river, swing me from a tree. So won't you free the slave in me?
Wait. Before we head into the craziness of this song, look, this sounds super crazy. I know Kaleo cannot make a bad song. They don't have a bad song. Bad song Kaleo, there's none. They don't exist. Damn, but the lyrics though, that's kind of sad. As he cries loud, turn and face the crowd as he cries out. No one makes a sound as he cries out. He has to go, he cries out. Why is that man crying though? That's the problem. No, let me go back. By the way he says, find me in the river, swing me from the tree, so will you free the slave in me? It's like asking to die, you know? It's a strange thing to wish to die. So in the beginning of the song he said, like hanging from the promised land or something, hanging. And now he says, swing me across the river and, you know, free the slave in me. Man, this song is dark. I mean, I guess it goes with the theme of this album, Surface Sounds. You know, iceberg, just like the album cover right here. They have, the tip is so small, but the iceberg is so large beneath the water, and they have so much content, so much depth. They're staying true to themselves. And the guitar. this dude has a voice of, I don't know. His voice is crazy. I think from this generation, from the newer people, I think he has the best voice. I have not seen anybody has better vocals than him. I don't listen to much music, but yeah, he's up there, up there with people like Chester. May he rest in peace.
Leave me when the time is new. Leave me be.
He says, leave me when the time is near and leave me be.
This is not the way you should remember me. Have you nothing else to say? Final words of truth. Give them for they know now what they do.
Is it like he's talking when he's dying, When my time is up, leave me be? Something like that? And this is not how you should remember me. Is it like, I still can't, deviate away from the word free the slave. It has a very old country vibe, like very old, 80s, 18th century, 17th century feeling. And, there were slaves back then. And so maybe he's a good guy, but he's remembered as a slave. So now he's wishing to die because he's done being a slave or something like that. I don't know.
As he cries out,
Yeah.
as he can be found, as he cries out. No one makes a sound as he cries out. Oh, he hits the ground, he cries out. With yours singing down, for me in the ocean, that's me in the sea. So won't you free the slave in me?
Hold on. Or maybe they are talking about slavery. In real slavery, back in the day, slaves were transported back and forth using ships. So, those I've read some articles. I was a huge fan of Assassin's Creed Black Flag, and I was interested in knowing the true history behind it. And I read some articles how the slave people were transported here and there. Bad conditions, rats in the deck and stuff like that. And yeah, I guess this is a perspective from the point of view of the slave person. He's not a slave person. He's a person who's been slaved by people who should not be called humans. That should be the explanation for them. Man, it's so sad that how much of people had to go through stuff like that, And even though how much this music sounds good, the lyrics is so sad. Man, history sucks.
Don't you know, world is gonna come for you. You could run on now. World is gonna come for you. Until you bleed out. Until you bleed.
He screamed though.
Darkness is coming. Darkness used to take shelter. Used to take shelter. Darkness is coming. Darkness is here. Is your conscience clear? Have you seen the brave man hanging from a tree? Say who'll be the first to see?
Man. Shit. In the end, he says, is your conscience clear? Have you seen the black man hanging from the tree? Who'll be the first to sleep? Shit. Oh, God. and way he slows down the song, and just way he delivers that final line hits you. Even though I was never born in that era or whatever. I don't know the real stories. I just know them because I saw movies, I saw articles, I saw whatever, games, whatever. But as a human being, I feel guilty. Like how dreadful things have we done as humans, and that sucks. That's really sucks. Obviously, it's history, but what we can learn from it is that you shouldn't be like that. You should treat other people the way you think you should be treated. So if you want to be treated with good manners, you should treat other people with good manners. So I think that should be the moral of this song. This song is deeper, and it resonates so perfectly with the album cover, the name Surface Sounds. The album cover, it resonates perfectly. I think they have so much depth behind that erupting volcano, beneath that erupting volcano. Yeah, that was me reacting to Kaleo Free the Slave, and I want you guys to comment down your thoughts on this song. And if you have any more rock bands or other artists that I should check out, please feel free to comment them down in the recommendation. I mean, oh my god. Feel free to comment down your recommendations in the comment section. Yes, English, por favor. Like I said, in the next few days I will be reacting to this album, Kaleo. Feel free to check them out. They are super cool band, super awesome. I really love them, and I want to check this album with you guys. So thank you for the support. If you want to see more of Kaleo, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, peace.